Hey, and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 18th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's move on to cable now. And cable has, it did engage this slight correction after all. The slowing advance of these bull candles, the RSI up above 70, MACD lines beginning to come back together, stochastics crossing over already, so maybe a bit of a near-term correction, and I think it's going to be similar sort of playing out to maybe this move that we had at the beginning of May, where you had just 2 or 3 days of downside before you had the bulls coming back in again. I think that may be how we're going to play this one, because I see that this is on the if it comes up, this is on the hourly chart. You've had this uptrend broken, you're now beginning to roll over, you're now beginning to put pressure on this near-term support, 56.30, which is the 13th of May low, so middle of last week, and we're seeing these moving averages rolling over as well. Look at the MACD lines as well, and the hourly RSI. Interestingly, all sort of moving more correctively. So I think it is showing that we are in a near-term correction. So I'd be waiting up for a potential buying opportunity before going long again. But I still think that this is all part of this bigger picture base pattern, that you had the big breakout above 155.50. And I think this is part of the pullback towards this neckline, and I think that what we're going to see is probably a pullback towards that neckline of that sort of area around 55.50, maybe back towards 55 figure, which was again another breakout high. So nice band of support between that 55 figure and 55.50, and I think that's where we're going to be coming back into, and seeing that would help to unwind this this RSI back towards maybe 50 area, and then before you see further upside in due course. But I think this is a necessary condition. This is part of this big medium to longer term base pattern that we've got in place on cable now, and I think it's quite a bullish factor actually, just helping to just unwind some of that overbought momentum, so you can then push on for the next leg higher. So I think a near-term correction in cable before medium to longer term gains back in due course. So back towards 55.50 in my in this initial move, but around that sort of level there are some decent bands of support, 55 figure up towards 55.50, and I think that's where we're going to be finding that next buy signal. So just near term bit of downside before a move higher. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.